about to head out and get some breakfast, I think at Honolulu Coffee Company, which is just down the road. Don't want to walk too far today because my legs still hurt from Coco hike yesterday, and I'm doing another hike to Manoa Falls this afternoon, which will be really good as well. So yeah, I'm quite hungry. It's like 9:09. Slept in this morning, which was really good. Haven't been able to do that for a couple of days just because I've been on the go, which is also really good. But yeah, it's nice to relax a bit. Just had a cup of tea, and now I'm gonna go and get some breakfast and some nice coffee, hopefully. I know I had Honolulu coffee last time I was here and it was really good, so hopefully it still is good. So I ended up going to Honolulu Coffee, which is located at Prince Waikiki, which is about 5 minutes walk down the road from where I'm staying. And it's the hotel which is adjacent to Ala Wai Harbor, which is where they film a lot of Hawaii Five-0 and Magnum Pi. So I ended up having a delicious piece of guava bread, which I'd never had before, and it was really, really nice and not too sweet. And also a cappuccino, which is actually really, really good too. So it's just located inside Prince Waikiki, sort of in the lobby area. Shrimp from the Hawaii